So plot the ordered pair -1, 4 and state in which quadrant, if any, the point lies. So again, as we mentioned in the previous video, we have this horizontal axis is described as the x-axis. This vertical line is described as the y-axis. Where the two lines intersect, this spot here is described as the origin, the starting point. And this also divides the plane itself into 4 regions. This is described as quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2 over here in this area. This is quadrant 3 in this region. And quadrant 4 is this region over here. So we have 4 quadrants in a coordinate plane. So if we want to graph the ordered pair -1, 4, the -1 is the x direction, the 4 is the y direction. So from the origin, we move left 1 and then we move up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we would be located at this spot right here. You'll have to use your mouse to do that in MyLab and move the point to the appropriate spot. So that would be -1, 4. So notice that that would actually be in quadrant 2. So its location would be in a quadrant. It would be in quadrant 2. So it is in a specific quadrant. So that's kind of how you would plot a point. Remember, the first number describes which way you go. So remember, if you move to the right, that's a positive direction. If you move to the left, that's a negative direction. If you move up, that's a positive direction. If you move down, that's negative direction. And remember that the first number always tells you how to move left or right, and the second number always tells you how to move up or down. So again, you start from the origin, you move left 1, and then from that position, you move up 4, and then you would plot the point. So you don't plot the point until you complete both movements.